So the new Google Pixel 4a 5G and the new Pixel 5 just got announced, and it starts at $499, and it has an OLED edge-to-edge screen, headphone jack, and more. The Pixel 5, however, is their flagship version, and it has water resistance, 8 GB of RAM, reverse wireless charging, and wireless charging, and it starts at $700, which is pretty good. Now, in terms of speed, you have smart downloads with 5G, which means you can download a movie in seconds, HD screen sharing, which means you can share a video on Google Duo, which is pretty cool. 5A and 4A 5G have the same exact camera, which is really cool because it has an ultra wide lens. You have HDR plus with bracketing on the new Pixel devices, as well as 3 new stabilization modes. This is shot on the new Pixel device, and you can also see the ultra wide mode right here, which is pretty cool. You have night sight and portrait on the new Pixel devices, which means you can take low light photos with portrait, which is really nice. You also have portrait light, which basically is a AI version of light, so you can edit your photos even if they're years old. You have 3 different stabilization modes: locked, active, and cinematic panning, which means you can have a Hollywood-like video shot on your Pixel device, which means it's going to be really dramatic. You have a extreme battery saver, which allows you to have long-lasting batteries up to 48 hours claimed. You have 3 years of OS security updates. The TitanM Chip obviously is still here, and it allows you to get more hold for me, which allows you to hold on video calls. You have new feature drops and more. So this is really cool. Let me know your thoughts if you guys are going to get the 4A 5G or the 5. If you do buy it, this is what you get. Pretty interesting. I personally would get the 5 because of the reverse wireless charging and all that, but like again, $500 to $700, and they come in different colors.